We all know summer can be crazy, so have some fun in the kitchen with your kids with this cool, creamy, and nutritious popsicle in 5 easy steps. Who wants a popsicle? First, add all of the ingredients to a blender, food processor, or bowl, and we're using whole fat Greek yogurt, strawberries, a little vanilla, some Mississippi State honey, and a little lemon.
Second, blend or combine well. Go! Third, pour the mixture in reusable freezer molds or small cups. Fourth, freeze for at least 4 hours. And last, enjoy. Bottom line, getting the kids in the kitchen is a great way to teach them about food. For more summer fun recipes, visit extension.msstate.edu and join our Nutrition and Wellness Facebook group. Thanks for watching.